Hi, today I'm Friday here REALME 9 Pro Plus and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device with just any problems. So just to unlock it, you should keep your finger on the sensor just for a second, not just with a simple touch. So because you have no chance to unlock your device with a simple touches, just keep on it for a second and after that you'll unlock it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.